He's literally outside my house. And I mean literally. He's here and I was sleeping here.
Spirit bird, she creaks and groans, she knows she has seen this all before. She has seen this all before. She has. Spirit bird, she creaks and groans, she knows she has seen.
Hey guys, I think you all know about my spirit birds. I think it's impossible if you watch me not to know about my spirit birds, to be honest. And the concept is simple. God often guides my life using the interaction of wild birds. He also does it using other animals as well, but I have a lot of interactions with birds. And for instance, when I was in Kenya and I was very sick after my left ventricle closed from the babesia, I had two hawks outside my hotel window, and then when I moved the hospital window, then when I moved to the hotel, the hawks were there again sitting in the tree, and it just brings so much comfort to my life. I mean, that's in the middle of a city as well. But I've had this relationship. One of my first YouTube videos, there was an owl inside the video, and two owls in fact. And those are the parents of an owl who is about 3 meters in front of me now. Now, I've called a friend of mine, because I know a little on bird behavior, but not as much as they. And they have a rescue with owls and hawks and eagles and many other birds of prey and other animals too. And I think you've all seen photos of me with a baboon in my arms, which is at that same place. And they told me that this owl, because it's so young, and I woke up this morning and it's just here, right outside my house. It's just here, like directly outside my bedroom, there's an owl. And initially it was on the floor and I couldn't believe my eyes. And they tell me the age it is, the parents must have left it here, knowing it's a safe place, and will return feeding it until it's strong enough to fly the distances it needs to fly. Now I know its parents live around this area. I've known them for 5 years and I've seen them raise young successfully over those years as well. But for them to come and leave this beautiful being here at Featherstail is really a very powerful and profound thing for me, and everybody else is happy to see it as well. So I've had a visit from the child of some of my spirit birds. Ultimately I've got a spirit bird with me today. And it's great for me because I'm sick this week, and my spirit birds turn up when I'm having a hard time. They turn up when I'm upset. They turn up when I've been fasting or when I've been praying and meditating and stuff like this. So I know that at this point in time, even if there's not a spiritual reason, even if it's just nature playing out and they happen to leave their child here, it's of massive comfort, because I've been praying a lot this week. I've been so sick, and the disabled children are going on their first safari tomorrow, and it took me a long time to arrange it and organize it and save the Patreon for it and everything. And there's 10 going tomorrow, and I don't think I'm going to be able to make it, and I'm heartbroken that I can't go with them. And then I wake up to this, and it's very comforting and very beautiful thing to happen for me today of all days. So I have a baby spirit bird to watch over today, shall we say, and he's just not budging. He's sitting right next to my house, so beautiful.
Give it time and we wonder why. Do what we can, laugh and we cry, and we sleep in your dust because we've seen this all before. Culture fades with tears and grace, leaving us stunned, hollow with shame. We have seen this all before. Many tribes of a modern kind doing brand new work, same spirit by side, joining hearts and hands in ancestral twine, ancestral twine. Many tribes of a modern kind doing brand new work, same spirit by side, joining hearts and hands in ancestral twine, ancestral twine. Slowly it fades, slowly we fade, slowly you fade, slowly you fade. Spirit bird, she creaks and groans. She knows she has seen this all before. She has seen this all before. She has. Spirit bird, she creaks and groans. She knows she has seen this all before. She has seen this all before. She has. Slowly we fade, slowly it fades, slowly give it time and we wonder why. Do what we can, laugh and we cry and we sleep in your dust, because we've seen this all before.